guys, how are you today? And I hope you're all feeling fine. And of course, I would like to greet all the fellow kabayans here in Abu Dhabi. So, in this video, I'm going to show you my actual demo lesson that I conducted a few days ago with my student for you to give for you to have an idea of what it's like to conduct a lesson, especially to Japanese students or any other foreign or any other students. So I hope I can give you like a simple tip or for you to improve on your teaching style or whatever things that you need to improve on. Okay, of course I need your comment as well or feedback for me to improve also my teaching as well. And of course we the next video that I'm showing to you, which I think like very valuable, especially to those newbie or who's going to start teaching online, so a newbie teachers. So for me, I'm actually teaching for like 10 months now, or 10 or 11 months now, and actually I'm still here in Abu Dhabi because of the situation or pandemic, which I am going to go back to my country, the Philippines, in due time. So whenever the situation permits me to go back to the Philippines and somehow teach in my country as well. And before anything else, I want you to subscribe, or please consider subscribing for you to get a daily information about my daily blogs. And I hope you like this video that I'm going to show you. Alright, so let's dive into it. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Can you hear
Good.
and see me well?
How about you?
I'm very good as well.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
so
good.
much for asking. Okay. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Yuta.
Oh, Yuta. Nice meeting you, Yuta. And I'm teacher Jana. Okay, so this
Jana. Okay.
yes. So I'll be handling your topic talk 1, and you chose colors. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. But before anything else, Yuta, how's your day? Is it fine?
Yes. I'm fine, but I can go out
That's the
anytime.
thing.
So yeah,
That's the thing, because the case of
yes, it's okay.
Okay, so now okay, so let's start the lesson about colors. Okay, there's a
Yes.
warm-up for
Okay.
1 minute, and let's name all the things that you can see in this picture.
Okay. Bicycle, red
Okay.
bicycle,
Mhm,
orange, yellow, light green,
mhm,
green, light blue, purple, pink, white, black, gray.
mhm. Okay, and what is things that you see?
Father thinking of all of this.
The father, okay, and on
I
his
see.
shoulder. Okay, thank you so much. That's it.
The daughter sitting on the. Okay.
Yeah, the daughter sitting on the father's shoulder.
Okay, I see.
Okay, it's like a bicycle.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, now let's move to the words and phrases. Okay, and
Okay.
repeat. Okay, so let's repeat after me once. All right, I'll be reading it. Cool color, warm color.
Cool color, warm color.
Next, dark light,
Dark light.
bright calm,
Bright calm.
masculine feminine,
Masculine feminine.
values,
Values.
I recommend to you because
I recommend to you because
the color look good on someone.
the color look good on someone.
Diverse men, diverse minds.
Diverse men, diverse minds.
Thank you so much. Now, are you all familiar with the words and phrases that we just read?
Okay.
Okay. So now it's time for us to make a sentence for each one.
Okay.
Oh, which one?
For each one. Okay.
Yeah. Just a simple sentence.
In the cool color in the I'm a dark. I feel dark in the room of the cool color.
Okay, in cool color. Oh, okay. So I feel dark in cool colors. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So I feel
Yes,
dark
yes.
in cool colors. Okay, that's a nice example. Next, dark or light?
This room is light. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. This room.
Your clothes is bright.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so your clothes are bright. If it's an S, okay, your clothes are bright. Okay.
Okay, your clothes are bright.
Are bright. Next, masculine, feminine.
Almost all of the man like feminine girl.
Okay.
Girls.
So okay. So almost. Okay, almost all men like.
All of the.
Like feminine. Is it feminine girls?
Cars. Yes.
Cars. Is it girls
Yes.
or cars? Feminine cars or girls?
Girls.
Girls. Okay, sorry for that one. Okay, girls. Okay.
No cars. Girls.
Okay. Sorry. Girls. Okay, girls. Okay, let me remove that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Girls. Okay. Almost all men like feminine girls, of course, right? Okay. All right, thank you. Now let's go to diverse men, diverse minds. I think this is already a sentence, but if you can find a better sentence as well, another sentence, diverse men, diverse minds.
This is difficult.
But anyway, it's okay because this one is already a sentence in itself. See, like a quotation.
Yes.
Diverse men, diverse minds.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Diverse men, diverse minds. Okay.
Yes, no problem.
I remember.
This one is a quote, live quote. Okay, now let's go. Okay, applying what all the various phrases, words and phrases that we learned today. Okay, we're going to do a role play. Okay, so
Okay.
which one? See,
Okay.
there are A situation and B situation. Okay, so you're A and I'm B.
Okay.
So let's have a simple dialogue.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to read A. Okay, A is going to buy a bicycle for his or her daughter, but wondering what color to buy. Okay, then I'm B. Chooses colorful
I
A
see.
and give her advice. I'll give you 1 minute to think. No problem. Your dialogue or any story.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. He's going to buy a bicycle for his daughter, but wondering what color to buy. Okay. I think gray is the best color because maybe if his or her daughter is below 6 years old, maybe the bicycle is dirty.
Ah,
So,
yeah. However,
so
sorry
yes, so
to cut you. Sorry to cut you. In this situation, you should
okay,
adapt in a real situation. Like you have a daughter, okay, and what color
okay.
would you want to buy? So you're wondering what color. So you're going to ask me, what color should I
Is
suggest?
me? Is me?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. So ask me,
okay,
okay? So we're going to have like a simple dialogue,
uh,
conversation. Yeah.
okay, okay. I see. Okay, I see. What color do you want? What color do you buy for the daughter?
For my daughter, you can say for my
Is it correct?
daughter. You can say, what color
Um,
do you think?
I don't understand this role play.
Okay. See, your
What
letter
color do
A.
you think
No. Here's. Oh, do you want me to
I
be A?
am a?
Yeah, I can be play A. No problem. Okay, so I can play A, and you'll be B. Okay, so I'm going to ask you.
Okay,
All right. So ready? So
okay, okay.
yeah, Utah. I have a problem. I have a problem,
Yes.
Utah,
What problem?
because it's my
What problem?
it's the seventh birthday of my birthday. Sorry, of my daughter. Sorry, it's the seventh birthday of my daughter,
Yes.
and I'm wondering what color to buy. Do you know?
Yes. I think that you by you have. I think that gray is best color because dirty colors don't stand out around the gray.
Oh, okay. You mean to say that gray for my daughter? Gray
Yes,
bicycle? Oh, is it the bicycle that we're talking? Bicycle, right? So gray bicycle for my daughter. Is it correct?
yes, it's bicycle.
Okay.
Yes,
Because I think pink colors look, yeah, pink colors good on her. What do you think? Because she's a girl.
yes, I think so. Yes,
And
yes,
pink is a
yes,
feminine
right.
color, right? So pink is
Yes,
a feminine
maybe
color.
yeah. If your daughter like pink, yeah, yes,
Oh,
it's good. Uh, she like pink. You
but
should buy pink
but
bicycle.
actually, she told me that she likes on her bicycle. She likes gray basket in front. Is it okay? What
Uh,
do you think? Pink and
yes,
gray for
yes.
feminine girls?
Um, yeah, I think it's okay. Both of things,
Oh, pink and
but
gray.
gray is better.
Gray is better.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. That's it. That's it. It's okay. That's our role play. This one is like a role play. You have um
Okay.
you don't need
Okay.
to say your opinion, but if you're in the situation, like you're A and you're B, okay? So there's a dialogue, exchanging of dialogues. See?
Okay.
The opinion, not
Okay.
opinion, but at least
Okay.
you fit in the situation, okay? That's it. Okay. Now,
Okay.
let's
Okay. Okay. I see.
okay, let's go to the discussion part, okay? So, here in the discussion part,
Yes.
so you can freely express your
Okay.
opinion about what we learn. What is the topic all about? Our topic is all about colors, right? Colors is our topic. So, number one, I'm going to ask you a
Yes.
question. What is your favorite color and what do you think about
Okay.
this color? I think your favorite color is okay. You can start.
Okay. Okay. My favorite color is black. Before I said, my name is Yuta Kurosaki, and Kurosaki, Kuro of the Kurosaki means black, so I like black. Then, what do you think about this color? Yes, it's cool color because I often wear black clothes sometimes.
Oh.
And I can easily wear these colors like black or gray, so I like this color.
So black or gray, anything dark, anything dark like black,
Yes.
gray. What about brown? Is it okay as well?
Yes, brown. I like brown.
Okay. And there's a situational question which I'm going to ask you. How about on your birthday, your friend
Yes.
will give you a blue things like the blue shirt, for example. Is it okay for you? Like the blue shirt?
The shirt, yes.
Will you be happy?
Yes. Yes.
Like
yes,
dark
I am
blue.
happy, but
Yeah. Go ahead.
I don't wear blue shirts often, so I
What?
tried it.
What would you say to her? What would you say to her? Or what would you say
Thank
to
you.
him? Thank you, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you. Of course. You don't have to turn it down because that's a present, okay, coming from your friend, right?
Yes.
So be thankful
Yes.
that he has given you a gift. All right. Okay. Now,